YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Legacy Jr. coming at you with another video. Alright, y'all liked the content last time, late night driving. So today, we got my boy in a Scattiana and the Mustang Easy. If y'all seen the last video, the car is okay. Nothing's wrong with the car, perfectly fine. Just Mustang doing Mustang shit. But we do got a Scattiana today. Back-to-back Avengers. My boy shit is super clean, bro. This is not no regular one. Y'all see that pinstripe? If you know, you know. Scatpack 392 with the wide body. Big boy, don't play with them. Matching calipers too. This shit's super clean. I did do an interior little mod. I honestly love this shit, bro. Ambient lighting is amazing in this car. Y'all gonna love this exactly for the video. Their shirt drop is dropping soon, so stay tuned for that. But bro, love it. This shit looks crazy. Man, despite all the fucking social media beef, these two look amazing together. So I'm not gonna talk y'all heads off. We're gonna hop right into this video. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's gonna be a good video, my boy. Yeah. Let me drop the window a little bit. I got my little shit with me right here, as y'all can see. Passenger princess for the win. God damn, my shit already scraping. Oh my God, this shit slow as fuck. Y'all, it's literally 3 in the morning. A lot of energy comes behind these videos, I'm trying to tell y'all. So make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because my boy, I drove all the way to Mexico to literally film this shit. Man, I got beef with these cars, bro. Nobody drives these cars, but they drive like assholes. Oh shit, he took off on me. 1, 2, 3, go! Nigga! Fuck you talking about? It low-key gives like Wally vibes, huh? Huh?
Why are you looking at me?
The camera's all up in your face and shit. Is it okay? Can you see now? How many fingers am I holding up? How many fingers am I holding?
3.
Girl, it was 4. Oh. It's like a playground. A big kid at a playground. Ooh! I know you'll hear that motherfucker. Vroom, vroom. Brat, brat. Brat, brat. Chestnut. Out of all the streets to name it, they named it Chestnut. They could have named it Nut Chest. That sounded crazy. That shit look hella fun. They just mobbing. It's stock. I think the fastest way to go to jail is falling under peer pressure when people tell you that. Back in the day, I used to do what niggas be, hey, swing it, quick. And then the boys got me. Learned ever since. Nigga, I don't know this nigga, and I just... What up? Go straight or go to the right? Okay. You gotta give him that. He's with his girl. Wait, I'm with my girl too. Hold on, nigga. That shit sound boosted. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda like that guy. Very spirited. And then he gets right next to me and I'm like, fuck that, gap his shit.
Right?
Right? I don't know where this girl just took me, but that was a detour. He got saved. We was going gap his shit. Not turn on red. Only turn on red. Let's go to a strip club, but instead of throwing money, we rob them. No, I'm just playing. Or I'm not. Sheesh! Vet thing. It's probably an old ass man that owns that shit. You know, 70 years old, tired of life, worked 7 years in the union, beats his wife, hates his kids. Why is there no food, Red? Hold on. This nigga got some tight ass lean. What the fuck? He wearing leggings? Hey, he wearing leggings. You seen that? Imagine wearing leggings and falling on a scooter, blood. That should be crazy. There'd be so much beef between Scatpacks, Hellcats, Mustangs, Coyotes. Hold on, Coyotes and Mustangs are no, they're not the same thing. There'd be so much beef between these cars though, and the thing is, we're coming together. See, we're making the world bigger. 2 Batmobiles back to back, terrorizing the city. I don't know what we're gonna label this. Oh my god. I feel like it should be illegal how steep that was. Like, I hella forgot you was in the car with me. I'm not gonna lie. My fault. I don't think y'all understand. What don't I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, honestly. But they're not understanding. Girl. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but for the one time, all right, that was it. That was it. No more.
Estoy pensando como lo raro que es un strip club de Asia.
What do you mean, Asia? Like an Asian strip club? Cause they be popping like ping pong balls out there. Girl, you better let go of that fucking handle. You know I got control of this motherfucker. Y'all, after that last video that y'all seen, I'm gonna get more suspension done to this car because, yeah, no, that shit cannot happen again. We hit gravel. I'm telling y'all, we hit gravel. What? You shaking too? Bruh. You driving this bitch like an F1 car. That way, huh?
Yeah.
You know me, I'm blind a little bit. Can I see those glasses? No. What? Fuck you.
When you drive, you can feel how I feel right now.
Nah. We're not gonna film much for like 2 minutes. You gonna bap this shit. You think I should make it faster? What do you mean, yes? It's not fast enough?
Yeah.
You want faster though? You just like me. Now you just said yes, you can't take it back now. Wait till I boost this car. This car's gonna be crazy, bro. If y'all know, LS platforms are good naturally aspirated, but King Daddy for boost, Coyotes. I know 5.3s, 4.8s, they take the boost and all that, and they like the Moomac, they like all that shit. But Coyotes, bro, are boost daddies. They just love that shit. Who's legacy daddy? You know, he's got his girl in the car too. So I wonder what she's thinking. She's probably just thinking crazy as fuck. Got me out here at 3 in the morning driving like this. You wait. We don't fuck with your kind. Oh, look who we found. Let's eat this motherfucker up. Oh, let me make sure my boy's behind me. Got it. Now go up. Good shit. That's enough action for tonight. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy. You already know who it is. Late.